Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to turn on large display mode in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for our large display mode options? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility menu here, and under visibility enhancements at the top we have display mode. Right now we have default mode, so all these options are turned off. As you can see, we have also high contrast here, but we are interested in large display. When we tap large display once, we have short explanation what it will change. So font size and screen zoom are increased, bold font and highlight buttons are turned on. So apply, and as you can see, a few things have changed. We can of course turn it off by going to default. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.